Hello students, I am Yogesh, your soft skills trainer. So I am here to announce or introduce our new activity. The name of this activity is Vocab Master, right? It is understood and observed that, mastering vocabulary is not an easy thing. You all know that, right? See, there are 5 lakh to 6 lakh words in English language, and to master all of them, that's next to impossible. So we understand that. And as far as this competitive, language is concerned, you have to master the words because there is no other go. You know that in your company specific examination, you have your word and you need to get the synonym and antonym of it. So all this goes on, right? So to support that, to support you people with your vocabulary, we are coming up with this new activity called Vocab Master. So let me explain the process of this activity to you. See, it is always, it's an artificial way of learning. Still, the natural way of learning the words is the best one, as you all know that. Reading books or watching some videos or using the words or listening to people when they use new words and finding the meaning of it. That's a natural way. So we are bringing this as an activity because we need to, we need to make you people aware of as many new words as possible. So that is our plan, right? So yeah, so let me explain the process of this activity to you. Right, so as the part of Vocab Master, every week on a specific day, Monday, Tuesday, or any day, you would be given a word list of 100 words consisting, right? That word list would consist of 100 words. So you will have to go through that word list of 100 words. You need to get the you need to get the word and its meaning, and you need to just try to understand the meaning of it. You need to go through the word list as many times as possible, again, for you, whatever you're comfortable with, right? So you need to get your own association method to understand the word and meaning. We're not asking you to just write the sentences or do all the thing, all those things with the word list, right? So just go through the word list, try to understand the meanings of the words and like that. So yeah, so we share the word list, and after 3 days of time, after sharing the word list, we wait for 3 days, and the third day you people will have to take up a test, an online quiz called Vocab Master. So in that particular quiz, we will bring any 20 words or any 30 words from the list of 100. We will not be bringing all 100. So we'll get any 20 or any 30, and we would bring those 20, 30 words from that list only. So if you go through the list properly, if you go through the words in that particular list, there wouldn't be any problem for you, right? So you'd be able to just do with all the questions. Now we pick any 20 and we use them in the quiz, and we'll be giving you the multiple, options or choices they call it, right? So there will be word and 4 meaning. You need to just find out the right meaning. Like that, you take the quiz. Again, the quiz wouldn't take more than 5 minutes for you because only 20, 30, and that too you go through that, what do we call, the word list in advance. So this is the process of this activity. Hope it is clear. Let me again boil it down. So every week on a specific day, we just send the word list. You'll have to go through the word list, and the third day, you will give you some time, 2 to 3 days of time for you people to just understand the words and their meaning, and then you have a quiz, okay? And in that particular quiz, you will be assessed on your knowledge of the word list only. We will not be bringing any new words, right? From those 100 only, any 15, 20, 30 words would be there, and we have to find the meaning. So this is the process of the activity. Hope it is clear with you, right? So vocabulary is something which we have to really work on. Grammar has set, a set of rules and regulations, but vocabulary, you never know, like how will you encounter a new word. So only to help you out with the challenges of vocabulary, we are coming up with all these activities. We want you people to take this activity as seriously as possible. So just go through the word list and do your quiz, right? Thank you so much. Hope you'll learn new words and your vocabulary gets better. Thank you.